Did you know your car can now do things like park itself, check on your health, and even learn your daily driving habits? These 20 smart features in modern cars are mind-blowing, and most drivers still don't know they exist. But once you learn about them, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. If you're someone who loves tech or just wants to get more out of your car, we've also included some product recommendations and tools you can use to bring these features into older models. Some of the links we include may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission if you decide to buy, at no extra cost to you. Today's cars aren't just machines anymore, they're like smart companions on wheels. Whether you're brand new to driving or just bought your first car, you'll be amazed at how much technology has been packed into even everyday vehicles. This guide breaks down 20 surprising smart features that are already available in cars you can buy today. We'll also share exactly which car models include these features and how you can get the most out of them. For older cars, we'll suggest gadgets you can add yourself to bring your vehicle into the future. Some cars like the Hyundai Palisade and BMW 5 Series can warn you ahead of time if something is about to go wrong with your vehicle. This is called a predictive maintenance alert, and it gives you time to fix things early. For older vehicles, you can buy a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner that connects to your phone and does the same job. Just be sure to check your car's screen or the app regularly and follow up if you see any alerts. Parking in tight spots just got easier thanks to the 360-degree augmented view in models like the Mercedes-Benz EQS and Genesis GV80. These cars give you a bird's-eye view of everything around the car, almost like a drone is flying above. You can buy aftermarket 360 camera kits that provide similar views for older cars. They're easy to install and very helpful in busy cities. With newer cars like the Genesis GV70 and BYD Han EV, you don't even need keys. These vehicles let you unlock and start the car using your face or your fingerprint. If your car doesn't have this built in, you can get a smart car alarm and fingerprint push-to-start upgrade. It adds convenience and extra security. Cars like the Hyundai Ioniq 6 and Volvo EX90 now come with smart cabin health monitors. These systems keep track of air quality inside your car. If the air gets too stuffy or unhealthy, it will automatically filter it. If your car doesn't have this, consider getting a portable car air purifier with a HEPA filter, great for city driving or anyone with allergies. The BMW 7 Series and Volkswagen Golf let you control music or calls by waving your hand. Gesture control is futuristic, and you can get similar results using steering wheel remote control buttons or even gesture sensors sold online. They let you control basic functions without distractions. With cars like the Cadillac Lyriq and Subaru Forester, there's a camera above the wheel that watches your eyes. If you start nodding off or looking away too long, the car will alert you. For older cars, you can install a dash-mounted driver fatigue monitor that tracks eye movement and yawns. Cars like the Tesla Model 3 and Lucid Air now learn your favorite routes. After a few drives, they remember where you usually go and will suggest shortcuts or avoid traffic based on your habits. There's nothing you need to turn on, just drive normally and the AI takes care of the rest. If you drive a Ford F-150 or Kia Sportage, you can simply ask your car how to do something, like adjusting tire pressure or using cruise control. Just press the voice button and speak clearly. The car will answer or show instructions on the screen. Worried about leaving a child or pet in the back seat? Cars like the Nissan Pathfinder and Hyundai Santa Fe come with rear seat motion detection. If movement is detected after the car is locked, it will beep or even send alerts. Make sure this feature is turned on in the settings for peace of mind. Adaptive headlights, like those in the Audi A8 and Lexus RX, actually turn with the road. So if you're driving around a dark corner or over a hill, the lights shift before you even move the wheel. Just keep your GPS on and let the system do the work. The Toyota Tundra and Range Rover Evoque use digital mirrors instead of glass ones. These rear-view mirrors show a live video feed, making it easier to see at night or during rain. Flip the tab under the mirror to switch views and adjust the screen's brightness if needed. Luxury models like the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 9 give each passenger their own climate zone, and even release gentle fragrances. Use the touchscreen to pick your temperature, and pop in a scent cartridge if you want a calming or energizing smell during your ride. Cars like the Tesla Model Y and Ford Mustang Mach-E can now receive updates through Wi-Fi. That means new features or fixes are downloaded just like your smartphone updates. Park where there's Wi-Fi and enable auto updates in your car's settings. If you own a Tesla Model S or BMW i7, your car can change lanes for you. All you do is tap the blinker while on a highway, and the car safely moves to the next lane using sensors. Make sure cruise control or autopilot is turned on. Hyundai Sonata and Audi A6 owners can enjoy smart parking memory. This feature learns how you park at home or work and repeats it later. After you first set it, the car can automatically park itself next time. Just press the button near the parking spot. Cars like the BMW i7 and Cadillac Celestiq now have windows that automatically tint based on sunlight. If it's too bright, the glass darkens to protect your eyes and keep the car cooler. It usually works on its own, but you can adjust how sensitive it is in settings. Some models like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Genesis G90 let you use your smartphone as the key. Just download the car brand's app, link your phone, and you can unlock, start, and lock the car without pulling anything out of your pocket. Mercedes EQB and Subaru Outback can now detect emergency sirens before you hear them. The system alerts you and shows which direction the vehicle is coming from. No need to press anything, it works automatically. If you like cool vibes, you'll love the Kia EV6 and Mercedes GLE's mood lighting. These cars change interior lighting colors based on your music or the mood you pick, like relax, party, or focus. Use the ambient light settings on the screen. Finally, the Volvo XC90 and Genesis GV80 have smart exit alerts. If someone is riding by on a bike or car when you try to open your door, the car will stop the door from opening. Just try to open the door normally, it will beep if it's unsafe. Cars today are more advanced than ever, and many of these powerful features are already waiting for you to explore them. Whether you want to feel safer, drive smarter, or just enjoy a more fun experience on the road, these tools are designed to make your life easier. So next time you hop into your car, try out one of these hidden features. You might be surprised at what your car can really do.